Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find it helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. Now let's begin. So there isn't much thing that you can do to solve this problem, but you will need to try many fixes and see anyone or any fix that would solve this problem. So the first thing is obviously you will be needing to first check your internet connection. Make sure that all refreshing Instagram would refresh the post and that the feed is working. That means there is no connection problem. And if there is no connection problem, try to log out from your account and log in, and it might be just a problem of synchronization. That means your uh, account hasn't been synchronized well, and that's why your notes that aren't showing on your bar or on your messages and stuff. And after you log out and logging in again, you will be able to do it by going to the three bars icon and go down. And after that, you can click on logout and choose another account. And if the problem still persists, you might also want to check if there are some updates because sometimes there are some bugs on the apps and you will be needing to wait for updates from the application and you will be needing to update them from either Play Store or you can simply go to the app info by hold clicking on the app and then you will find some updates if there are any available. And if the updates doesn't change or doesn't fix your problem, that means there is some synchronization problem. First, try to go to the storage and clear the cache of the application, and normally that should solve your problem. Otherwise, try to uninstall and reinstall Instagram, and that should definitively work and that should uh, show your notes again. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.